Welcome to my channel Tech Truth Reviews Best Embroidery Machines in 2025. Embroidery machines in 2025 offer advanced features, user-friendly interfaces, and versatile options for beginners, hobbyists, and small business owners. With technology like wireless connectivity, large touchscreens, and expansive design libraries, these machines cater to a wide range of skill levels and project needs. Brother SE2000 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Brother SE2000 is a top pick for its versatility as a combo sewing and embroidery machine. It features a 5 inches by 7 inches embroidery area, 193 built-in designs, and 13 fonts, with wireless and USB design upload options. Its intuitive 3.7-inch touchscreen, automatic thread cutting, and needle threading make it ideal for beginners and intermediates. Priced around $1,100, it's praised for ease of use but may require a larger workspace due to its 38-pound weight. Brother PE800 Embroidery Machine, a favorite for dedicated embroidery. The Brother PE800 offers a 5 inches by 7 inches embroidery field, 138 built-in designs, and 11 fonts. Its 3.2-inch color touchscreen allows easy design editing, and USB connectivity supports custom designs. Priced at $970, it's perfect for beginners due to its simplicity and built-in tutorials, though it lacks sewing capabilities. It's reliable for medium to large projects but may feel limited for heavy commercial use. Brother SE600 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. For budget-conscious users, the Brother SE600, priced around $550, combines sewing and embroidery with a 4 inches by 4 inches embroidery area, 80 designs and 6 fonts. Its 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen and USB port make it beginner-friendly, with automatic needle threading and bobbin winding. While compact, its smaller embroidery field limits larger designs, and it's less suited for heavy-duty projects. Janome Memory Craft 500E. Designed for experienced embroiderers, the Janome Memory Craft 500E is a dedicated embroidery machine with an 8 inches by 11 inches embroidery area, 160 built-in designs, and 6 fonts. Priced at $1,998, it excels with difficult fabrics like denim and activewear, offering a large LCD screen and USB design imports. Its single needle design requires manual thread changes for multicolor projects, but its precision makes it a top choice for home businesses. Baby Lock Altair, a luxury option. The Baby Lock Altair boasts a 10.1-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth connectivity, and a 9.5 inches by 14 inches embroidery area. With 534 designs and 30 fonts, it supports large projects and wireless design uploads via the IQ Intuition Positioning app. Priced higher, around $5,000 to $6,000, it's ideal for advanced users or small businesses needing professional-grade features, though its size demands ample space. Bennett 70 Deco. The Bennett 70 Deco, priced around $1,500, is a budget-friendly combo machine with a 6 inches by 10 inches embroidery area, 70 built-in designs, and 130 stitches. Its wireless app connectivity and Stitch Pro software simplify custom designs, making it great for beginners and intermediates. However, its single needle system limits multicolor efficiency, and it lacks the advanced features of pricier models. Brother PE535 Embroidery Machine. At $430, the Brother PE535 is an affordable, embroidery-only machine perfect for beginners, especially for monogramming. It offers a 4 inches by 4 inches embroidery area, 80 designs and 9 fonts, including 3 Japanese options. Its 3.2-inch touchscreen and USB port allow easy design imports, but the small hoop size restricts larger projects. Its lightweight 15-pound design suits small spaces. Tajima Tima V1500 and 12C for commercial use. The Tajima Tima V1500 and 12C is a high-volume, 15-needle machine with a 1000 stitches per minute speed, ideal for caps and 3D foam embroidery. Its large embroidery field and minimal thread breaks ensure efficiency for businesses. Price significantly higher, often over $10,000, it's a professional investment, not suited for casual home use due to cost and complexity. Meistergram Pro 1508, another commercial powerhouse. The Meistergram Pro 1508 features an 8-head design with an 850 stitches per minute speed and a 350 mm by 450 mm sewing field. With a 2 million stitch storage capacity, it's perfect for mid-level production. Its laser alignment system ensures precision, but its high cost and large footprint make it impractical for home use. Brother Enovis V3. This domestic embroidery machine offers a large 30 cm by 20 cm embroidery area, a color touchscreen, and USB connectivity for extra patterns. Its independent bobbin winder and single needle design suit hobbyists creating large designs, but multicolor projects require manual thread changes. Priced around $2,000, it's a strong choice for dedicated home embroiderers needing space and speed. Choosing the right machine. When selecting an embroidery machine, consider your skill level, project size, and budget. Beginners should prioritize user-friendly models like the Brother P535 or SE600, while advanced users or small businesses may opt for the Janome Memory Craft 500E or Baby Lock Altair for larger embroidery areas and advanced features. Commercial users benefit from multi-needle machines like the Tajima or Meistergram, which offer high-speed, high-volume production but come with steep price tags. Key features to evaluate include embroidery area size, built-in designs, connectivity, USB or wireless, and whether sewing capabilities are needed. Accessories like hoops, stabilizers, and quality threads are also crucial for successful projects. Trends and insights. Posts on X highlight a growing preference for machines with precision and speed, such as the Pearl 1504 Productive, noted for its flawless stitching and suitability for bulk orders. This reflects a 2025 trend toward machines that balance professional output with user-friendly interfaces, even for home users scaling up to small businesses. Conclusion. The best embroidery machines of 2025 cater to diverse needs, from budget-friendly options like the Brother P535 to high-end commercial model, like the Tajima Tima V1512C. Brother dominates the consumer market with reliable, versatile machines, while brands like Janome and Baby Lock offer premium features for advanced users. Always assess your workspace, project goals, and budget before purchasing, and explore tutorials or free courses, like those offered by Digitizing Made Easy, to maximize your machine's potential. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.